we just had a change to like into summer, which we're supposed to be, right?
Yeah, we would expect to hit 100 at some point late May or early June. Here we are talking about 100 coming to at least a few neighborhoods, maybe as early as tomorrow.
Okay.
And then where the official weather is observed in Las Vegas at McCarran, I think by Wednesday we'll probably get there. Let me walk you through the next 3 afternoons and talk about the building heat up to 94 today. Here in Las Vegas. Ooh, Laughlin, look at you overachieving up to 100 this afternoon. Let's jump into tomorrow. 99 the call here in town. The east side of the valley, lower elevation, got a little more air over, if you think about it that way. As air sinks, it warms, which is why lower elevation spots like Laughlin, like the far east side of the valley, like up in or around Overton, you probably have a degree more warmth than the rest of us. Tomorrow, if you're jealous of the triple digits, can't imagine why you would be, but if you are, we are looking at 101 here in Las Vegas by Wednesday afternoon. Pahrump also headed to 100 by Wednesday. For the first time in 2019. It's already pretty toasty out there, especially in direct sunshine. 86 at McCarran, it's 80 in Summerlin, up to 90 in Centennial Hills. That's a thermometer that tends to read pretty warm. Our weather timeline says, hey, plan on upper 80s and low 90s basically from lunchtime right on through the early evening. Sun sets just before 8 p.m., even an hour after dark at 9 p.m. We're going to be well into the 80s. Fairly quiet here in the valley. Yesterday, if you were out and about in the afternoon, you look west toward the Spring Mountains, still some snow up in the high peaks. You also saw yesterday afternoon a couple of showers, and that's going to be the focal point, this higher terrain of the Spring Mountains for a couple of afternoon showers to develop. Due to an upper level low that's moving toward Arizona, these showers would then drift down to the south-southwest. Maybe a stray raindrop around Pahrump, probably not. A lot of sunshine here in the valley, so let's talk about getting out to the pool. Yes, of course, with sunshine and building warmth, it'll be great pool weather. But as I always do, got to remind you about the very high UV index. I believe it's an 8 today, which means a sunburn in 25 minutes. It goes up to a 9 tomorrow, sunburn in 20 minutes. And Wednesday, wow, for the first time this year, sunburn can happen in 15 minutes. So as we heat up, the UV index is going to be on the way up. Pollen levels just sort of hovering in the medium category, and without any rain in the forecast, any big cool downs in the forecast, that'll be the case through the rest of the week. So some triple digit heat for you Wednesday and Thursday, and a couple of neighborhoods on the east side could get it as early as tomorrow. Also plan on some wind, 30-35 mile per hour gusts Thursday into Friday. But Dana, just because I know you're a busy lady who's got a lot of great plans on the weekend, we have nice low 90s, so a little bit of a cool down and a calm down. No wind to worry about Saturday, Sunday.
That's perfect. But you've got a golf game Friday? Because you're complaining about the wind. I figured
we'll see.
Okay.
Yeah, Justin's not helping me yet.